Hello everyone. Today I'm really excited to introduce you to Tinkercad, which is a very fantastic tool for designing and simulating the electronic circuits. In this tutorial, we will be creating a simple circuit to light up an LED using a battery. So as you can see, this is the home page of Tinkercad website. You can just Google it, Tinkercad. You have to make an account on it to create your designs. So first of all, you can see on the right hand side there is the create button. So we will click on it, then we will click on circuits. So these are the some basic components that we will be using in our project. So we can see we have a capacitor, we have battery, we have breadboard, we have different types of motors, we have different type of devices like diode, photoresistors, sensors, all these are there. Then we can see we have different type of Arduino boards also that are available, and some basic projects are also available here. So just we will be doing a basic project, so we will be needing the basic components here. First I will take a breadboard, so right click on breadboard and drag and drop it into the window. So as you can see, first of all we will understand how the connections on breadboard works. So as you can see, this is the bottom line, and in this all the points in the horizontal lines are connected. So when I light up or when I highlight any point, then all other points are also getting highlighted. Similarly, you can see on the above two lines also, where you can see plus and minus written on the left hand side, the horizontal points are all connected together. So if we click on any point, all the other points on the side are also connected. Now come to these bottom points, which you can see numbered from 1 to 30, and rows are numbered A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So these are vertical connections. So as you can see, when I am highlighting any point, then the 5 points are getting highlighted. Similarly, below also in A, B, C, D, E, when we click on any point, then the 5 points in the vertical column are getting highlighted. So this is the basic breadboard connections which we must be aware of. Now I have taken a battery and connected it to the positive and negative lines of the breadboard. So the bottom line is totally positive line and the above line is negative line, as we can see from the terminals of the battery. Now I have connected a LED. So the long leg of the LED is the cathode and the short leg is anode. So we have made the connections. So the longer leg will be connected to the positive voltage and the shorter leg will be connected to the negative voltage. We can also change the color of the wires. So the negative wire I am highlighting it as black and positive wire is getting highlighted as red. So now we will start simulation, and as you can see, the current through the LED is really high. It is 915 milliampere, whereas the maximum value should be 20 milliampere. So that is why our LED is getting burnt or getting destroyed. So to limit the current, we will add a resistance between LED and the ground. So we have taken this resistance, this is 1 kilo ohm resistance. We will rotate it and connect it between LED and ground, so that a large amount of current will be opposed by this resistance, because we know that resistance has the property to oppose the flow of current. So it will limit the current through the LED and save it from getting burnt or destroyed or damaged. So we have made the connections. The LED is connected to ground through resistance. Now we can see when I am simulating, the LED does not get burnt and lights up really nicely. So in this way we can connect any circuit through Tinkercad. We can also see in the above row simulation time is there. We can also add notes here. So using the notes tool we can add any note in the project for future reference. So as you can see, I have dragged that note option. Now we can write any note just for our reference. So this Tinkercad is a really good software for basic simulation of electronic circuits. So as you can see, I have added a note that the resistor is added to limit the current flow and protect the LED. So we can also hide the note if it is getting displayed during the connections. We can also share this project with others also using .brd files. So this is a fully fledged software to design and simulate electronic circuits. Thank you.